Hi everybody, I'm Daniel and I wanted to show you something I had in mind all day now. Maybe because I watched some YouTube videos and I love movies, and I asked myself, could I do some nice effects with bullets and guns on iClone to make a nice cinematic effect, and it's actually pretty easy. So the only thing I needed was a gun. There we have a gun. This is a nice gun, and it has actually, as you can see, a bone structure in it, and the gun, you can manipulate it and move it, as you can see. And as you can see, I have already a bullet inside here. I found that bullet on an XNR Lara page. I searched for it, converted it into OBG, and just loaded in here. So as you can see, we have the bones, so the gun can shoot here. We only have to animate this. We have the trigger here, all working. So, but that is not all. The gun needs a nice effect. As you can see, there's a camera looking right at the gun. As I move the gun, the camera moves with it. And how do I do that? Well, probably you know how to attach a camera directly to the gun, but in this case the camera is not attached to the gun, it's directly attached to the bullet, and the bullet is linked to the gun. Why do I did that? Well, I show you. First thing, we're gonna search for some template. Finally. So I want something I can go through. A building, perhaps. So let's see if I find some what was that? The urban construction kit. I think that was the one I was searching for. So we search for buildings here. Yeah, this is a nice building over here or there. It doesn't matter which one it is. I just go out here and just place a building here. There we go. Thing is, no, don't like this one. I want some buildings who are actually open. It's important. Well, it doesn't look like it is very close either, so okay, where's the gun? There's here, and the thing is flying in the air, so just place this on the ground. There we go. Now let's aim the gun on the right point. Okay, what I want to do is I want that the gun goes right through the building. So this shot should do it. And the thing is, we still got the classes here, but there's no problem. With some special effects I can take these classes away and make an effect like it's breaking the class and at the same time it's going through the building. But for here I only want to show you how to make this. And first we're gonna go in scene and select our, okay, this here, up here is our bullet. So we're gonna move our camera view far away, as you can see, and we move the timeline just a little bit forward like this, and now we move the bullet all the way through. Now that's done. Okay, now let's go directly to the camera view, and as you can see, the bullet came through. That's a cool effect, because this effect you can make easily by only making one thing, and I tell you exactly what you need to do. the camera, select the camera, here we go. The camera, first of all, I activate the depth of field and pick a target, in this case just this one. So I wanted hide the gun, and so it shows only the bullet now. But the thing is, I also needed to here, linkage. I link, first I unlink now. What happens if I unlink? Well, this happens. It stays there. And I only see the gun. Anyway, so you have to move this away. At first, pick this here and unlink it. Also, now we move the gun away from the bullet, so we only see the bullet, as you can see. So in this case, if you have selected the camera, you pick a linkage and pick parent. Now the camera always will go with the bullet. It follows it. In this case, what you do next is, first we move the gun up again, go to preview, and move this right up again. It should be right. I don't know now how it is. Let's take a look. Make sure the hole is correctly. See, there's the thing. We need us to move the gun just a little bit this way. Okay, that's working. That should do. It's not perfect, I know. Now it's perfect. Now what we do is hide this, select the bullet. Now select this and link the bullet to the gun. The bullet to the gun. There we go. Now when you shoot, first of all, make sure that the bullet has no animation. So remove all the animation from the bullet. Now you should be able to do this. Move everything, as you can see. You can move everything wherever you want. Let's put some light at this. There we go. And then some light in this direction, because we want to see the bullet as well. So, but only one light makes a shadow. There we go. Now the best thing is when this is all like that, you only need an avatar, and link the gun to the avatar, make the animation, and then just shoot the bullet straight forward, and then change to the camera angle, and you have a nice cinematic shot. And that is what I wanted to show you. It's actually pretty easy. I hope you liked this short video, and see you next time. Bye.